Hi everyone. Is your Samsung phone frozen, not responding, or are apps crashing? In this video, I'll show you how to force restart your Samsung phone in just a few seconds. First, locate the volume down button and the power button on your phone. Depending on your Samsung model, the volume buttons may be on the left or right side. Now, press and hold the volume down and power buttons at the same time. Make sure you press both buttons together. If you don't, you might only change the volume or accidentally open another feature. Keep holding both buttons until the screen turns black. Don't let go yet. Continue holding them until you see the Samsung logo appear on the screen. Once the Samsung logo appears, you can release both buttons. Your phone will now restart automatically. This process is completely safe. It won't delete your photos, apps, or any other data. It simply forces your Samsung phone to reboot when it's frozen or not responding. And that's how you can force restart your Samsung phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.